What if you could chat with ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude all at once? That's the promise of Galaxy AI. In this tutorial and review for beginners, we'll explore this all-in-one platform to see if it lives up to the hype and, more importantly, if it's worth opening your wallet for. Galaxy AI markets itself as the #1 all-in-one AI platform, and its main selling point is bringing tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude together in one place. The idea is you can access multiple powerful AIs with power switching between different tabs or accounts. When you first visit the site, it presents a clean and modern interface designed to be user-friendly, which is great for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI options available. The core promise is efficiency and centralized access. You can interact with these different large language models from a single chat interface, compare their outputs. The platform likely emphasizes saving time and streamlining your workflow by eliminating the need to manage several separate services. For someone new to AI, this curated access can simplify the learning curve dramatically. However, a critical point to examine is the pricing and value proposition. The website heavily promotes its capabilities, but as a potential user, you must consider the cost versus just using some of these tools individually for free elsewhere. A key question is whether the convenience of having them all together justifies a subscription fee, especially if your needs are met by one free model like ChatGPT. The platform's true value might be for power users, researchers, or content creators who genuinely need to compare outputs from different AI engines regularly for their work. For a casual user, the paid subscription might be an unnecessary expense. You're relying on Galaxy AI's infrastructure and interface to access these models, which could be a limitation if their service has downtime, or if you prefer the native features and latest updates directly from the original providers like OpenAI or Anthropic. A flash sale for lifetime access at a heavily discounted one-time price of $399, which includes 100 million bonus credits instantly and 15 million credits every month forever with all future updates.